Hey guys, this is Dr. Kanil Javeri, consultant OBGYN, obstetrician and gynecologist, and I'm a mom to two kids. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing some very interesting facts regarding the use of caffeine during pregnancy. So, I have seen different types of people. Some are like me who like to start their day with a cup of coffee. Some are occasional coffee drinkers, and there are a few people who cannot just live without coffee or tea or anything. So I see people sipping one cup of tea or coffee every 2 or 3 hours until they finish their day work. So what happens when this type of people suddenly they become pregnant, and then they start wondering, can I drink this much amount of tea or coffee now? Would it affect my baby? Can I have at least one cup of coffee a day? And so on. So stay here and I will answer all your questions. So the answer is yes, you can consume caffeine during pregnancy, you can drink tea or coffee, but the amount should be limited. So that amount is 200 milligrams of caffeine per day. Now, let's understand what is 200 mg of caffeine. Right. So if you are drinking one cup of coffee, say a routine 250 ml cup like this, then this cup of coffee will contain around 100 mg of caffeine. So you can drink like 2 cups of this every day. Now if you are talking about tea, then similar cup of black tea will contain around 50 mg of caffeine, whereas the green tea will contain around 25 mg of caffeine. Now, if we try to understand what happens if you consume excessive caffeine daily during your pregnancy. So there is a very important and bad side effect which we call it as IUGR. This means intrauterine growth retardation. So the meaning is that your fetus, your baby, will not be able to achieve as much weight as it should during your pregnancy, or it will stay underweight or growth retarded or whatever you say. So please avoid excessive caffeine consumption during pregnancy. Now here I would also like to talk about various types of herbal teas available in the market. So I would suggest stick to ginger tea or peppermint tea, or those kind of homemade teas that we usually have, and avoid the various teas like chamomile tea or hibiscus tea or kava, etc. The reason is that there is not much research data available on the safety of these teas during pregnancy. So I recommend don't use them. Okay. Another thing, one very interesting myth, people often come to me and ask me, is it possible that my child will suffer from ADHD if I drink too much coffee during pregnancy? And the answer is no, there is absolutely no relation between your child getting ADHD and you drinking coffee. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching it. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Also, don't forget to post any questions that you have in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer them all. Thank you so much and bye-bye.